Okay, so day 3 of our Scratch coding. Yesterday on day 2, you coded all the code, or most of the code, I should say, for your original sprite, which is you. Okay, you named him, you sized him, you have 5 events: flag clicked, left arrow, right arrow. I can put these next to each other. Up arrow, down arrow, and a costume change and movement. So right now your sprite should left, right, up, down, costume change. And when I hit the flag, all of that is reset. So the last thing with this sprite that we're doing is we're going to record a sound. So I'm going to pull out the event when the sprite is clicked. I'm going to come to the sound blocks. Very first one, when this sound is played. Yep. I'm going to use this when sound played until done. I'm going to use the drop down and click record. I'm going to now record 3 things. I'm going to record hello, my name is, and welcome to my room. Hello, my name is Tucker. Welcome to my room. Once I have that recording, I'm going to save it. I'm not altering it any way in here. I'm just going to call it greeting. Greeting. Okay, so now it's called greeting. I have it. I'm going to come back to my code. It should be in my drop-down menu called greeting, so that when I click on it, I have that recording there. That's the last thing that we have to do for our sprite. So the next thing we're going to do is add our pet that we took out of our room. So if you don't have your pet saved, the easiest thing to do is come to remove background again and make a new pet if you can't find him. So I'm just going to download a new pet from remove background. I'm going to use my upload sprite button. So I hover on the cat, scroll up, upload sprite, and I'm going to choose that cat. Okay. Notice when I add a new sprite, my coding screen changes to a blank screen. The cat image is right here in the corner. If I click back on my character, all that code is here. His little picture is there. Click back on cat, it's blank because we've not coded for the cat. So I'm going to put the cat somewhere in my room. I'm going to name it its animal name. So whatever animal you chose, type that name. If you chose a dog, dog. If you chose a cat, cat. If you chose a goldfish, fish. I'm going to choose cat. Okay. And I'm going to resize it if it's too big. Okay. So I resized mine, and I'm going to set it where I want it in my room. Okay. Then I'm actually going to put it up on the bed. Okay. Then I'm going to start with events when the flag is clicked, and the one we always use, which is set the location to X and Y. That way, no matter where I take the cat, it always goes back to the bed. Okay. I'm now going to do when the space key is pressed. Okay. And I'm going to, before I code anything, I'm going to drag the cat to a location where I want him to move. So my cat's going to come down here to my legs right there. Okay. Now, once I've dragged the cat to a new place, I'm going to use this glide to a new X and Y. And I'm going to change the number from 1 second to 3. So let's reset the code. And I hit the space bar. And it takes 3 seconds. He'll glide to my feet. Okay? And that's the cat. The last thing for the cat I'm going to code is when he is clicked. We're going to record a sound again. So play sound, record. You're going to record an animal sound that matches your animal. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, and you're going to save it. You're going to name it animal sound. You're not going to alter it. It's going to be you. Come back to my code, drop down menu, animal sound. Okay, so I have that. That's everything for my animal. Last step for today is you're going to come to Google Classroom and log into Pixton. You're going to come up to your character's name up at the top, and you're going to redesign your character. Once you've redesigned it to be somebody completely different, download them and come to your room. Of course, you can pause the video while you go do that and upload this new character into your room. Okay. We're going to name this one in the text box friend. And again, you can pause the video to go make your character. We're going to turn her 60. Okay, so friend in 60. We're going to set her somewhere not next to your sprite. So you do not want her near you at the beginning. Okay. Again, flag is clicked. We want to set her location to this place across the room from yourself. Okay. We're going to then use another when space, but we're going to change it to the F key because she's our friend. And we're going to have her glide 5 seconds. Oop, nope, can't put that block there yet. We have to glide her first. So you're going to drag her over to yourself. Now you're going to use the glide to the new location. You're going to use 5 seconds. You're going to rewind it, hit the F, watch her glide. Okay. And now we're going to do something. We're going to use events. We're going to use that sprite clicked, but we're going to use this purple box down here in the bottom left-hand corner, something new. Add an extension. We're going to use the text to speech. If your character's a girl, you're going to set their voice to alto. If your character's a boy, you're going to set their voice to tenor. Do not use the other options. Altos are girls, tenors, boys. Okay, so mine is a girl character. I'm going to add alto. And then I'm going to add this hello button. And you're going to type out, hi, my name is, and you're going to pick a name, period. And then you're going to say, nice to meet you, period. 2 sentences. Okay, going to test it out. Okay. And that's the last thing for day 3. I'm going to click save now and save our project. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can ask when we're back in class, but you want to make sure all of that stuff is done for day 3.